We are here again at Leeds Bradford Airport, and we are going to travel to a whole different country to watch a movie with one of our online friends for cheaper than a London trip. It is fucking boiling, I will say. Oh my god.
35 degrees, the car said.
That is mental. But we have arrived at the airport, as you saw by all the clips a minute ago. And like I said, it is only going to be like a little day trip today and tomorrow. But we get to meet Doc, and yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting touring a new place that I've never been. So I'm pretty excited for that. Here we are, all gates. Boarding pass getting ready. Security is done. No pulling over for Steam Doc, but I got a shoe check, which I've never seen before. And CF Gaming got his bum felt.
I like to be wine and dine first, and he didn't do it this time.
Oh, I love this. This is what I was talking about last time. It's tropical this time, but £1 in an airport is pretty good. Oh. It's fallen. Okay, so we just got some little small food because when we get into Ireland, we are trying something called Eddie Rockets, which Doc has been talking about constantly. So we just got some nuggets from the Burger King. So I'm going to give this a little try real quick because I don't think I've ever had them. I'll be honest with you. We've got some spicy mayonnaise. Very nice. Honestly, that was like a minute and then it was like there. That's insane. So first of all, one little bite. Nom nom nom. Those are really good. It's like McDonald's.
Yeah?
Yeah?
I like the nuggets. Burger King, to be fair, they're really nice. Right, look after me, camera. I need a wee. I'm gonna piss my pants.
Honestly, 10 out of 10 nuggets. The crispiness. Oh, it is beautiful. So yeah, we're gonna eat this and then we're gonna go have Eddie Rockets after the actual journey. Food has been devoured. Toilet has been conquered, I guess. What am I saying? But we are ready to depart. Just gonna get our passports and stuff checked, and then we'll be on the plane. Weren't meant to be sat together, but some very kind gentlemen did offer to swap that was sat there. So that's pretty cool. We have the beautiful view here of the very nice outside. We have landed. That was really, really quick. I played one Spider-Man mission, he played one Spyro mission, and then we landed. It's touchdown in Ireland. So this is our first time on Irish land. Okay, tried to use the booth. Mine didn't work because I was trying to show CF Gaming how to, like, where to put the passport. And so it was scanning the back of my head. But we made it. We are actually going to leave the main airport, like terminal area. So go to departures and Doc should be there. €10 for the bus, and we got Doc. Hello. So that's pretty cool. We have actually met. So we're getting a bus to the centre, and then yeah, it was a third of the price of a flight. That is pretty interesting. Yeah.
I'll have to blur that, bro.
We have arrived at the hotel, but it says student living. I don't know. Okay, it turns out there is only one bed in here, but it's a nice little room actually. What is the view like?
The bathtub.
Oh, we got a view of the gardens because we are on the ground floor. But it's not too bad. We got ourselves a nice closet, which obviously we're not going to use. A desk. I mean, it's like a proper student thing, so
This is my bed for tonight.
pretty good.
I'm staying in the shower.
See the bathroom.
That's what I'm doing. I'll take the floor.
Okay, we got bath, nice mirror, and honestly a pretty decent shower. Pretty good. I don't know also how we're doing with sleeping later, but not too bad. Not too bad. It's so warm, and we got told to try some Coke, so there we go. Let's see.
I think it's just, I think sugar was just more of the same. That's the one.
Pretty good still. It does taste about the same. Like, there's a bit of a difference, but it's good. This is the portal. Oh my god. This is literally the thing that got shut down a while ago because people doing very inappropriate things. This is really cool.
It switches.
Oh, we came and they shut it down. And then right next to it, we have the spire. It is absolutely giant.
Look over there as well. It's hidden behind the tree. It's hidden behind the bushes. That there is the GTO.
Oh, so that little building there?
That's the generator.
Oh,
Really good.
yeah, this is pretty cool. Giant. Okay, we have finally actually got off the bus. That was such a weird experience because it took us 3 times to get on the bus. First time they were like, oh, we don't accept cards. Second time, we got some money out. And then they were like, oh yeah, you can't actually use notes. So we had to get coins from the shop. And what a weird journey. But that pizza over there smells pretty good. So we might be going there one day and then the Eddie Rockets another. I don't know. We'll have to see what happens as we go. Well, there it is. That is the Eddie Rockets and the Duns. This is meant to be like a really good shop. Snacks acquired, and this is the bowling alley if we decide to go bowling. And we are here at the Odeon. We've not been to Odeon in a long time because we go back to Cineworld, but it's a lot cheaper in Ireland, I can confirm. Screen 6. Quick little toilet break before we actually go in because every time I go to the cinema, I for some reason needed the toilet. So waiting on the other two, and then going to the toilet, and then it's actually time for the Backrooms movie. Finally, we've waited for it. Movie is done. Honestly, pretty good. I agree about on 8.5 for it.
8.5.
People were saying it wasn't that great, but I enjoyed it. I think it gave that like disturbing and creepiness to it, like what I was expecting.
It's the stereotypical game to movie thing. People aren't going to enjoy it if they've never played the game or they don't know the story. It's one of them that really does play its key to people that have known the story and the game and stuff before watching it.
Yeah, like we know a bit, but we don't know the entire lore. Like Doc absolutely loves the backroom stuff, so she knows about all the lore and everything.
I mean,
but
so far on the game we've played and like the stuff we've
we played quite a bit so far.
This film's done a really good job of showing like the first kind of level of the game.
Yeah, and they definitely left it for more. There's so much in the Backroom universe that they could just make more.
So,
but I just hope they don't overdo it and kill it. That's the issue with anything over like a 4 or 5 movie franchise. It's
like
always a bit, it's always a bit iffy. But yeah, I'll let Doc give a little explanation when she comes back. Okay, so Doc's gonna give a little review on the movie as somebody who knows a lot more than we do.
Right, I must say it was amazing. The monster design was perfect. It really captured that creepy, not quite right feeling of the original analog horror that Kane started, and just the original image in the first place. No idea what people are saying that the monsters look goofy. They look funny, but it's scary funny. They're not right. So, in my professional opinion, 9 out of 10 overall and 10 out of 10 Backrooms adaptation.
Well, there it is. I mean, we went for like an 8.5 for me and CF, and then obviously like the 9 and 10, which is not too bad. I think overall pretty good movie.
Where if you throw 6 and 7 in there.
Who do you take me for? Food has been acquired. We got ourselves 2 large pizzas, some chicken goujons with some dips, and a beautiful spice bag because I enjoyed it from Wetherspoons, and I got told it's not it's low standards compared to Ireland. An Irish spice bag is where it's at. First look. This is the spice box. Salt, pepper, chicken, and chips, basically.
Oh,
Pretty good. Alright, chicken. Chip.
yes.
That's actually pretty good. Let's see with the chicken. Not as spicy as I thought, but pretty good though. Got ourselves a Baja Blast as well. Doc went crazy when buying drinks, so let us crack this one open. Ooh, the Baja Blast is good. Tropical lime. That is really good. Then we got ourselves Voltage Raspberry. Smells really good. That's really good. Oh my god. It's clear.
The rest of the world.
Yeah.
Oh my god. And then we've got a Code Red at some point. And the last one, we've got the Code Red. So let's crack that open. Give that one a nice little try, shall we? Because this is the last one of the 3, and I think they're all American exclusives. I do love a cherry drink, and this has got to be the best of the 3. Okay, the room has served us well, even though it was completely a scuffed night. A bit warm, alarms off and stuff like that. But we had some pretty good food. Got a last slice of pizza until a bit later. And yeah, we're off to explore a little bit more.
Oh, we got the drones in garage.
Okay, we have just took a photo at the statue, like somewhere back there. I'll put the picture on the screen now if I remember. But somebody's great uncle or something like that was on that statue, and they offered to take a photo, which is pretty cool. So shout out to them. Obviously we just had a coffee at McDonald's, but they didn't have iced coffee, so we have also secured ourselves a Monster, which is pretty damn good. I need myself some more caffeine and a nice cold drink with this hot weather. In some shopping centre, got ourselves a strawberry with some green apple bubble tea. That's pretty damn good. It is that time. We have arrived. So I need to look at myself some chicken burgers. I need to look at some chicken burgers. There is some really cool ones. Like this one is what I'm thinking of. Sounds pretty good. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
I am, yes.
Very nice.
excited.
Milkshake has arrived, so this is how it comes. You got a bueno in it, and then you get the rest of it in the actual shaker as well, which is pretty cool. Let's give it a try.
I like licking cream.
That's pretty good. And there we have the food, a chicken, cheese, bacon. This is the one that Doc showed me, with some really crispy looking fries.
Fries actually look like fries.
True. You know, the start of every taste test is just a normal fry. Pretty solid. Crispy. Could do with a bit more seasoning, but pretty solid.
Ready?
Then we have the bacon barbecue burger. Let's see. Give this a try. Oh my god. Best burger I've ever had. Oh my god. No exaggeration there. Alright, we are back in Charleston, and it is the final activity before we go home, and we've chosen to do some bowling. Are we ready?
Yes.
May the best man or woman win. As long as you go out of the way. Oh. Oh my god, strong start. Oh, a strong
We
start.
got the funny animations.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh!
He's got it. GG.
GG. And there we have it. 75, 54, 79. Sprix is the winner.
And there it is. We have completed bowling. I just slapped the screen. Pretty good scores. Ended up winning, almost fumbling it at the end. But we ended up winning. We had fun, which is all that matters. So that's pretty good. CS recording parts for the vlog as well. But yeah, it is absolutely boiling. We had quite a lot of fun, and I did bring on the win, of course. Not just good at video games, chat. Just saying.
Good at playing with balls.
Yeah, fingers in them. Okay, very nice. Next clip. Okay, it is that part, the sad part of the trip, where we have to say goodbye to the legend Doc herself, because Doc has been pretty fun. So I want to say thank you for that.
No bother.
It was nice having like somebody that knows their way around, and that can also help, because the money situation with the trains, with the buses and stuff was really weird. So it's been a very good trip. We've arrived at the airport. Time to go home. Excited to play some games and to get back to the streaming and stuff. But it's been a nice little break. Event on DVD comes out tomorrow whilst I'm filming this. You're going to see this a bit later because we've still got turkey vlogs. But pretty cool.